Say, what'd you think was going to happen? See, when the market turns, this is what happens. This is just when the media and the websites and the internet and all the idiots on StockTwits started saying, wow, this looks like it's going to get ugly. That's when it turns. So the best part of the internet is going the other way of the sheep, right? Who was leading the charge on the downside? December 27th, January 13th, and then it turned. And then shorting is over. Now you can't be short. And now the market goes up every day. And it might go up for the next 18 months because that's what happens. All the market does is try to trap shorts. And then it rallies. The dollar cost averaging people buy. Then the shorts cover. Then they get squeezed. Then people start buying because people rather buy stocks when they're going up than down. And then the shorts finally cover. Then we pause. The stupid idiot shorts start shorting again because they're trying to make their money back. Then we don't go down, and then they cover, and then we're at all-time highs. It's the same thing year after year after year after year. And all you got to do is watch UVXY. Is UVXY hitting new highs? No, shorting's done. Is UVXY going up? No, shorting's done. Is UVXY trending up anymore? No, shorting's done. And what do? Every time UVXY goes up 100%, you short it. So you don't condemn me and call me an idiot at 1178 when I'm telling you this is the first time in a decade to buy UVXY, and then it goes up 100%. If I was telling you to buy it at 2250 after it's rallied 100%, then I'm an idiot. But I didn't. See, I got you into the Shiba me. I got you in 1178 and told you to start trading it on the long side for 5 to 6 days. But more importantly, the fucking Qs. I was 4 points off covering near the lows. I thought we'd get 328. We got 333. That would actually be 5 points, but it was that turn. And then when you know how to tell when sentiments changed? Late day rallies. So hear this, believe me now, and you'll profit from this forever. You ready? You ready? If the market's selling off into the close and UVXY strong, we're in a bear market. If the market's rallying into the close and UVXY's tanking, we're in a bull market. Boom! I just made you 20 grand. And I'll just put it in more bigger words. I'll write it out for you. This will solidify the for the heart of understanding. Sometimes you need graphics, right? UVXY. If it's going up, that means the market will go down. When UVXY starts to go down, the market only goes up. There you go. See, and here's the sick thing. That's all you need to know. You think trading's complicated? It's not. Because with UVXY and the QQQ and the SPYs, UVXY goes down, buy the Qs, buy the SPYs. UVXY starts to rally, and for God's sakes, for the first time in a decade, in the first time in 10 years, this fucker is actually trending higher. You short the market. And how long did you think the bear market was going to last? Months? It's over until it starts again. I got the levels. Best market ever. Are you still asking how come the market's going back up? You're asking why is it going back up? Right? What happened to Russia? Suddenly cured, right? Oh, what about inflation? No, it's good now, right? Price of oil? No, no, we're not phased by the price of oil. What about the slowdown in tech earnings? Oh, what about Congress coming after tech? Oh, the taxes, the worst president. Well, the combination of the worst presidents ever in the history of America. No, Civil War breaking out. No, Black Lives Matter anymore. You Too moment. The Me Too. You see, when the market starts going up, nothing fucking matters because everybody's getting their asses fucking squeezed. Nothing matters when we go up. But look at all the reasons they had for 3 weeks to talk about the reasons we were going down. And suddenly all those reasons that we were going down and how it was the end of humanity are gone now. They're gone. Just like that. And while they're still writing the papers, they're ripping up, most of them are being ripped up because these analysts, they weren't even done writing about how January is going to influence the market. We're expecting more of a down move. They haven't even got done writing that. And they're like, "Oh wait, the market's going back up? Oh shit. We told you so. We knew the market would be a buy on dips. Again, you thought we were thinking something else. Weren't you just thinking something else? Yeah, but no, that's why the only way to be is liquid. So then you could just partake in what's happening. Crush these fucking morons like me who never learn. We never, ever, ever stay down. Why would we? Once you sell your Qs at 383 and they go to 333, what do? You buy them back because there's nowhere else to put your money. There is nowhere else to put your money, and there will be nowhere else to put your money for at least 7 to 10 years. The Dow will hit 1 million in our lifetime. It has no choice. Sorry, 100,000. Well, actually, 1 million's in the cards in our lifetime. 20%, 100%, 100,000, 40. Yeah, maybe. I could see Dow 1 million. So just before, right? Remember, everybody was writing off Netflix. They were done. Stock rallies 120 points. Tesla, they suck. Stock's up 150 points, right? Amazon, they don't even sell stuff anymore. Stock's up 350 points. You just got to be liquid. And then you come in, and this is now Thursday. Thursday night didn't really count. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. You know what the stock of the day has been? Hood. And today we actually shorted it. And you want to hear something crazy, kids? You want to hear something fucking nuts? My best trade of the day was shorting the Qs out of the gate today because my plan was, hey, UVXY is starting to act green. It started to trend higher and the market was starting to roll over. Short the Qs. Wait, UVXY is going back down. Oh, the market's breaking back over the VWAP. Well, that trade's over. And that's it. UVXY will bounce at zero. The product is built to go down. So once volatility starts to subside, they kill it. Then it has to go through the correction stage, then the contango. So it's probably going back to 1178, then 10, then 0. But tomorrow, before it goes to 0, if there's any inkling, any hope, any chance that this market ever goes down, ever again, and I'm saying that for real, ever again, UVXY will lead the charge, just like it did. First, it needs to stop going down. That's what we saw at the end of December. We were like, oh shit, UVXY stopped going down. That's when I said you might want to buy it there at 1178. And I was called an idiot. First, it has to disintegrate. Then it consolidates a little bit. It has to come off the floor. And then if you get a rally, you know there's still some residual selling that needs to be done. But man, so Amazon's going to blow out their number. Google's going to blow out their number. Facebook's going to blow out their number. And now that we're in a bullish sentiment, all the stocks are going to go up. Doesn't matter. 2 weeks ago, if Amazon would have reported and Google would have reported and Facebook would have reported, it didn't matter what they said because we were in a bearish sentiment and they would have went down. And you would have been like, why are they going down? Those numbers were pretty good. Now that we're in a bullish sentiment again, it doesn't matter what the fuck they say. They could be killing kids, raping your fucking goats. Doesn't matter. I don't know why I always reference goat raping. Something about goat raping. You know what it was? I had a funny pin when I was a kid. Where do I have it? I don't know if I still have it. It was the dumbest thing. I used to buy like pins. You know, when you had your denim jacket, I used to be like a Woody. I had my Iron Maiden denim jacket. I had all these pins. For some reason, I would buy these really absurd pins, and one of them was "I fuck goats." I don't know. I thought it was funny, and I realized, what the hell was I wearing that for? Anyway, exactly. Doesn't matter. No war matters. Nothing matters when the market starts to going up because the computers don't know. The computers don't know there's a war. The computers don't know that our president stinks. The computers don't know. The computers don't know. They know if QQQ 353, then buy. If 357.63, buy more. If 362.50, sell something. If then, it doesn't matter. But this matters. You guys get this thing? The trigger finger? My fucking finger. Look at this. Freaking spastic. It's what comes with old age. Subprime. I heard that's coming back. I heard the subprime loans are coming to get us back. Wait a minute. What was coming to get us? Hopefully the murder hornets come back. Murder hornets, man. See, that's I was getting excited about. I had a murder hornet t-shirt ready to go. I was psyched. One of the killer bees going to come back that were. What about that? Didn't we have something that was the Fukushima nuclear waste cloud that was circling the globe? It was going to kill us all. No, we're good. Hey, wait a minute. What happened to the caravan that was coming to kill us? Wasn't there an Ecuadorian, Honduran caravan coming to murder our fucking children and take all our jobs? Did that happen? I forgot. This is the best market ever. And it's just accepting that you know nothing and you just do what you see. Participate in the absurdity. Uvxy on me. My favorite is I'm actually debating with these idiots online how it's going to moon. I was like, you can't short squeeze this product. It's not built on supply and demand. You idiot. And then I realized I'm the idiot because I'm arguing with people online. I can't help myself. Sheep army, murdering people online. I wish I could kill you all, you trolls. If there was a way, please, somebody out there who's smart, can we just invent a way to tase people through online? Wouldn't it be great? Just a little shock in your face. Damn, that'd put an end to trolling, right? Because I'd be willing. I'd be willing to put my home address online if everybody else is willing to do it, because I'm not afraid of what I say online. But I know a lot of people would be. All right. Farewell, my friends. Market never goes down. Unbelievable. We are now 4 points away on the Qs to where I thought we might not even see for months. We're 4 points away. 2 days later. That's why commentary, worthless. Doing trades, that's what you do. Reacting to what you see. Commentary, CNBC, financial media, what you think, none of it means anything. Because it doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter what you think. We never go down. Ever. Ever. We never, ever go down. So this illusion that we had a bear market, yeah, we did. It's over. I nailed it. Covered too early. Got long too early. But now, chances are we're never going down. You like guns, black coffee in America? Black Rifle Coffee's for you. Unless you're a pussy. Holy shit-ta! Do you know what the market did today? It spent 8 hours trying to convince the bears that it was a good idea to stay short. But at the same time, if you look over there, UVXY is saying, no, 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 no. UVXY doesn't lie. The market, the CNBC lies. UVXY doesn't lie. Goldman Sachs lies. UVXY never lies. If UVXY is trending down, the market's going up. If UVXY is trending down, the market's going up. Come on. Market. Hey! Not too hard to remember this, right? UVXY goes down, market goes up. In that rare moment where UVXY trended higher for 3.5 weeks, you got the market to go down. And go fuck yourself, because we're never going down ever again. Maybe tomorrow. But then again, I don't care if we go down tomorrow, the next day, the next day, the next day. The lows that we put in could be generational lows now. Or 331 to 408. We could go this way. There's always that. Remember, big moves met with big moves, big moves. Next thing you know, we've gone sideways. But I'll tell you what, friends. Do you know that the QQQ, when it broke over the 5-day VWAP, and now I've lost half of you because you don't know what I'm talking about, it was at 353.93. 353.93. And my computer said, idiot schmuck. I know you think the market's going to crash, but it's not. UVXY is going down, and the Qs are breaking over that VWAP level that you said you swore you would never see. But now it is happening, you dumb fuck. You understand? That's how you become a better trader. Realize how stupid you are. I'm talking to myself right now, not you. It took 18 months to realize how stupid I was in 2013 about those short positions. It took me 20 years to realize I might not know shit. And it's a wonderful feeling. Admitting that you are powerless to this is a great thing. Because, man, one time you're on the wrong side of this market, you're annihilated on the shorts. The market could spend 8 months going down. It'll make it all back in 3 days. That's why you can't. You can short the market. But remember this saying, shorting is short-lived. Or, if you like this one better, I wrote this one too, don't stay short for long. We never go down. Ever. Ever. See you.